Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to yet another interesting episode of my solar video series. And today I have this information to share with you. And it says the cost of having same solar system in 2019. Now, if this is your first time of joining my video, kindly check for the first and the second video because this is the third video. In my previous videos, I tried my best to show you how much it cost me to set up my solar system years back. Today, I'm going to show you how much it will cost you if you were to set up that same system in 2019, January to be precise. The question says how much it will cost to have same solar system now in 2019. So what I'm going to do now is go to the sites where I bought the components or items and trying to check for the current price and sum everything up for you in an Excel sheet. As you can see, I still have all my previous items. So what we'll do is go to the site where I purchased them, find out the current price, input them into the Excel sheet and have the total calculated for us. Okay, the first item here you can see is the solar cable. So let me head over to AliExpress and see the current price of the solar cables. So here I'm going to do my first search, which is solar cable. Okay, as you can see, we have a very long list here. So we're actually going to search for the same length, which is 20 feet or 6 meters or something close to this. So this is it, guys. Here I have 10 meters, 30 feet. But here I have 6 meters, 20 feet. So it's kind of getting more from from what I have here. So having the exact length and I bought mine is difficult to 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 come by, so I have to work with this. Remember, just an approximate to give you an idea of what you're working with. And next thing is this: I'm not going to add this shipping fee because it varies from country to country. So I'm going to take the basic price, and this price stands for I think 5 meters because 5 meters is what you have in a lot, and here $17 is what you pay for a lot. So what it means is this price goes for 5 meters. So if you want that of 10 meters, you're going to be multiplying this by 2. That's what we want to work with. Let's work with this. So I pick this up. I go to my Excel sheet. I paste that here. Okay. So with that, I need 2 of this length to make up my 10 meters or thereabouts. So what I'll do is quantity of cable, I'm going to say 2, enter. And here is price of dollar to naira in 2019. So I'm going to look for this value as well. So I head up to Google. Don't forget, everything we're doing here is an estimate. So what I have here is 361. So I'm going to work with this. Paste that in there. And now we have the price of our solar cable in dollars and in naira as well. Now it's time to move on to the next one, which is the charge controller. So I head over to AliExpress once more, and here EP MPPT charge controller. And don't forget, this is 30 amps because the price varies with the amps. Okay, and continue. Okay, I think there's need for me to include that 30 amps. Okay, here is a closer look of what we have here. 30 amps. Let's see this. And here is another one. Here's 81, 56. I think I need to go with this. Let's see. This is what we're looking for. And the exact match is 30 amps. So we go with this. Here we have $59. So I go to my Excel sheet, and here's my charge controller under the dollar. I'm going to include that, and here is my equivalent in naira. So now it's time to go for the solar panel. I contacted my local distributor, and he gave me the prices of both of the solar panel in naira. So I'm gonna go ahead and impute it directly here. So for the 250 watt solar panel, he said that goes for 43,000, and that's that in dollars. Now this time around is a 150 panel available, and that goes for 28,000 naira, and that is equivalent to $77. Now it's time for the inverter. I head over to AliExpress once more. Um, $500. Let's see what we can find here. Dear sine wave. Okay, let's go down and see if we can find our exact match. Here is a exact match of mine. Inverter, which is 1500 watts. As you can see here. Now, this was the, though this seller does not sell this anymore, but this was the last price I believe this seller sold the last one. But this is kind of expensive. So let's see if we can find something um, cheaper than this. The last time I checked, I think I saw a place where this inverter is sold for $175 or thereabout. So if at the end of the day I don't get to see any of this, I think I have to choose a random price. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Man, this is serious. This is serious. Okay, I think you have to make use of the name. I don't even know what this name stands for or which language it is. So let me start. Let's do this using the exact name of the inverter. So inverter. Okay. Let's see if we got something here. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is not good. Okay. I seem to find one here. So let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. So I have something close. Let's see, this is 1500. Okay. So what you do here is choose your country of origin. Now this AliExpress charge so much for shipping. So this is actually the reason why I'm going to add this shipping fee. So I'm going to take this and go to my Excel sheet and I'm going to input it here. Okay. Then last but not the least is the battery. Now if I go to my local store, I just want to have an idea of of this battery, which is a 200 ampere battery. Let's just find a search and see what we can find. Okay, from what I'm seeing here, these are all 200 ampere and have different prices ranging from 90 here to about wow. Okay, these are units of 2. All right, so what's going to happen is this. I can see that there's no much change in price, so I'll still maintain that same price which I paid for mine 2 years ago. Here is 90, so I'll just go with 95. 1, 2, 3. And we are done. Now look at the price in dollars, 808. So here are the computations. This is just an estimate. If you go to the market to get these things, you won't get the exact figures you see on my screen, but this is just to show you what you can get. Well, most people will say this is expensive, such a system. Well, don't give up. I have something in mind. I will have to make another video whereby I categorize this solar system into different sizes. As in, when you need to power this and this and that in your house or apartment, I will provide the components you need, the prices, and I will sum everything up. Then if you need a bigger gadgets to use, I will also provide a setup and the prices for you. Then if you need entire house, I will also give you a range of the components you need to buy and compute the prices for you. It's been a wonderful time taking you through the process of knowing how much you can set up this system in 2019. In my upcoming videos, I want to kind of break things down for you. There I'll be analyzing few things you can power with solar, and I will suggest the items you need to buy in order to power those little items. I plan on having at least 3 different setup, and I will show you what this setup should be able to power in your house. This has been one of the longest videos so far because I wanted to hold you by the hand and show you everything the way it's done. Well, this is where I have to stop this video. See you in my next video and have a very nice day.